What is up, everybody? Here we are back on the list where I don't want to be for this reason. And that reason is engine's gotta come out again. Spun a bearing last gambler and engine decided to lock itself. It wasn't running the AccuSump system, and I was beating on the car and yeah, spun the bearing. This was running hot laps and didn't let her like kind of take a break. So here we are. So that LS1 that just went in there not too long ago is gonna get replaced by this beautiful LS3. But anyways, back to the car. So I'm gonna take off the hood, bumper, fenders, headlights, all that stuff. Move that and get this guy ready to come on out. So we're gonna do that thing where we snap our fingers and everything's magically up. Alright, well, I went a little overboard. Took off everything and started disconnecting hoses and radiator and oil coolers, and now we're gonna start doing everything and the engine will be out. Again, movie magic. Boom, movie magic. Engine's out, trans out, all that good stuff. I moved all the harness and everything out the way because I'm gonna paint this a nice color. I think you guys might like it. It's gonna be sparkly. I mean, Z engine bays are kind of ugly. They're not ugly, it's just not much to paint, but it's whatever. I already spent $60 on material, so we're gonna make it happen. So in a second, gonna clean it down and then spray it, and then you'll see what it looks like in a little bit. Honestly, I don't even know where I left off, but LS3 is inside here now. As you see, painted the engine bay. Those cool sparkly things. It's so dope. Don't worry, these are my old coilovers. These are Racelands. They're gonna be coming out for my Fortunes. They're supposed to be in this week, hopefully, but you know, pandemic, all that stuff. But look at the sparkles. Okay, but yeah, so I'm gonna try to get this all wired up and stuff, and again, you know, so just snap my fingers and movie magic. Okay, I lost track of what day it is, but this is day something else. Engine's all wired up, fixed the fuel leak, had to replace it to a push lock because the swivel on the ALN jump. We got the #1 bullshitter up in town. We got the M4. Charging this guy up since I'd like to die because I was playing with the yeah, he's putting a fat turbo. I'll get over to that in a second, but look at the engine bay looking all cute. You can go ahead and start it. Let's see. Oh, we got fuel. Honestly, I don't even remember where I left off, but cars all together. It was up on the alignment rack. We just aligned it here. So as you guys already know, we do load cars, all that fun stuff. She's all together. She rolled in here. She's driving out. Definitely gonna get a dynoed, see what's going on before I throw on the AccuSump and the oil cooler, and then hopefully try to get a private day. But before I forget, look how good those Cerakoted headers look. Brock 2 also, oh what the fuck that was. Brock 2 also got his downpipe and beautiful Cerakoted. So as I was saying before my battery got weird, we're gonna try to clean up, wrap up, and get a private day. But other than that, go listen.